me, sugar.
You know, Lula, I never told you what all I was doing before I met you.
Well, I just figured you was out being Mr. Cool.
Not exactly, sugar. One reason we're in all the trouble we're in right now is because of what I was doing. I tried to tell you this before.
You're scaring me, baby.
Well, there's a good side as well as a bad side to it. And the good side is I knew your daddy, and I thought Clyde was a good old guy.
You knew my daddy?
Yes, I did. I sure did. The bad side of it is I did some driving for a man named Marcelo Santos.
Oh,
I quit working for him, but just before I did, I ended up one night at a house. I didn't know it then, but it was your house. I don't know what it is they all think I saw that night, but I was just sitting out in the car till the whole place went up in flames.
Oh, God, Sailor. That's the night my sweet daddy died.
I know, sugar.
Daddy? That's some big secret you've been carrying, Sail.
We all got a secret side, baby. Hope you don't think I've been lying to you about other things. Lula, you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
You upset with me?
It's just shocking sometimes. When things aren't the way you thought they were. Well, we're really out in the middle of it now, ain't we?
Pack real fast, and then I'm gonna meet you downstairs.
Oh my God, what we could have done in that king-sized bed tonight.
Don't you worry, honey. I'm gonna make up for it.
All right.
See you in just a minute.
Okay. Mary Ellen?
What's that?
I don't know. Looks like clothes.
Oh, God, Sailor.
One bad car accident. I don't know, honey, but we gotta help that girl. Get her to a town. I hope no one catches on I broke parole.
I got a bobby pin. There's a bobby pin. I can't find it. My mother's gonna kill me. It's got all my cards in it, and it was in my pocket. Now my pocket's gone. Gotta help me find it. My mother's gonna kill me. It's got all my cards in it, and it was in my pocket. It was in my pocket. My purse is gone. My purse is gone. Now she tells me. Now she fucking tells me.
Let's get a hold of her quick.
You think she's gonna make it?
Don't know, but she's gonna bleed all over our car, I'll tell you that. Hey, hello, girl. You gotta come with us, honey.
Leave me alone. Robert! Robert! Shit. Got this damn sticky stuff in my hair. Got this sticky stuff in my hair.
You better come with us, honey. Come on.
I gotta find my wallet. Don't say one word of this to my mother, please. Please. God, she's gonna kill me.
Can't worry about that. You got.
Oh, God. Where's my hair, bro?
God, she's dying right in front of us, Sailor.
Get my lipstick. It's in my purse.
She died right in front of us, Sailor. Why'd she have to go and do that, Sailor?
Let's get out of here, honey.